Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the reset now. First, confirm this is the Nest outdoor camera model and that you can log into the Nest/Google Home app. This matters because settings differ by model. Once done, power the camera or plug in an external battery so it won't die mid-reset. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network. Locate the physical reset button with a paperclip. You'll press and hold it to begin the factory reset sequence. Now execute the reset. Press and hold the small reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED changes color and the camera beeps or blinks. This indicates factory reset is initiating. Release the button and wait. The device will restart and show a different LED pattern as it wipes settings. During this time, keep the Nest or Google Home app open and watch for the camera to disappear from your device list. Once it drops, the camera is cleared and ready to re-add. After the reset finishes, re-add the camera in the Nest or Google Home app exactly as you did originally. Choose Add Device, scan the QR code or enter the setup code, and follow on-screen steps to reconnect to Wi-Fi and reapply recording, zones, and notifications. Make sure to grant permissions the first time. If pairing fails, power cycle the camera and router, then attempt the reset again. A common fix is ensuring the camera firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.